Welcome student. Good morning to all of you. Uh, Today we are going to look this 14th lesson, preposition. Okay, preposition. Let us have definitions of the prepositions. A preposition is a word that shows the relations between word and a noun or a pronoun that comes after it. Okay, so here in these definitions we come to know that the prepositions always comes in the sentence before noun or a pronoun. Okay, so they and it is a habit, but we didn't identify these prepositions. Now in these lessons we will going to study this preposition. So first we know in this line that the prepositions always come in the sentence before noun and pronoun. Okay, secondly, in the sentences given below are the underlined word or prepositions. Okay, here are the sentences given and underlined words are prepositions. It means the word coming after the prepositions are nouns. Okay, the first sentence is a crow. A crow sat uh, on the branch of a tree. So here the branch and a tree is you should need brush. Okay, we did not get it. Brush. A crow sat on the branch of a tree. Here on and off are the prepositions, and after that the branch, on the branch of a tree. This branch and tree is a noun. Here is the picture. Okay, these sentences are related with this picture. A crow is sat on the branch of a tree. Secondly, there was a piece of cheese in its beak. Here is a picture of cheese in the beak of crow. There was a piece of cheese in its. Its is a pronoun, and of cheese is a noun. Okay, and third sentence is a fox sat under the tree and looked at the cheese. So here is the fox who sat under the tree, means under is a preposition, and at is a preposition. Here the tree and the cheese are the nouns which comes after the preposition. So we understand the sentences and preposition through this picture. Okay, picture also considered as one of the language, pictures language. We do preposition indicates. What do preposition indicate? So let us look at these sentences, and here we have a picture, that is the girls and boy, a house, and the trees. Okay, so the kinds of a preposition. The first, some prepositions shows direction. Okay, direction. The sentence we have is the boy walked towards the house. towards is a direction, directions word. Next sentence is the fox look at the cheese. At is a preposition which gives us a direction of the cheese. And the boy walked towards the house means towards shows us the direction of the house. And third one is the children walked through the jungle. Through the jungle. So these trees are the jungle. Okay. So here through, at, and towards are the directive preposition. Directive prepositions. They shows the direction to the subject in the sentence. Okay. And in this sentence, the boy, the fox, and the children are the nouns. Secondly, some prepositions shows position. Okay. Here the first sentence is the boy sat near his parent. In this sentence we come to know that the position of the boy is near to his parents. In this sentence the near is a preposition which comes before the noun, common noun, that is parents. Next sentence is the fox sat under the tree. Okay, under the tree. Here we come to know the position of a fox. Under is a preposition which comes before the tree. Third one, there was a hut among the trees. So we come to know where the position of the hut which is situated under among the trees. The third one is, so here we come to know that the direction and position. The third type is time. The prepositions shows us time. We shall meet at 8 o'clock. We shall meet at 8 o'clock. At is a preposition. Okay. At is a preposition which shows us the time, that is 8 o'clock. The wolves came out around midnight. Around midnight. And the last sentence is I have been waiting since morning. Since morning. Here at, around, and since are the prepositions which shows us a time in the sentence. Okay. So we come to know the different kinds of the preposition, that is direction, position, and time. Here are the pictures which we take for the reference in this lesson. It means the prepositions we come to know the two characters of the prepositions, that it comes before the noun and it shows us direction, position, and a time. Okay. So here this preposition we understand through this lesson. It is very small lesson and small and simple lesson. Okay. So I take a picture in this video of this lesson, so we will understand the preposition. Okay. And in the next page here is the exercise of that preposition. Okay, here are the some sentences with the reference of the picture with the reference of this picture, and that you have to answer of that exercise. Okay, look at the first sentence. We have answer is given. There is a fence all around the farm. There is a fence all around the farm. And second sentence is the river Hooghly flow Hooghly flows through Kolkata. The cat hide the cat hide under the table. I have a parcel for you. Okay, the mangoes were inside the bags. The mangoes were inside the bag. The players kick the ball. The players kick the ball into the net. Our team will play. Against theirs. And the last one is the boy would run to school every day. The boy run to school every day. So here I give some clues and solve these example first, and you have to solve the example 2, which is given under below the first question. Okay, below this fill in the blanks, and this will be your homework also. Okay, now students, we will stop here. Okay.